This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin rights because Windows blocks service changes without them. Open services now by pressing Windows plus R, typing services, MSC, and hitting Enter. Once the services window appears, scroll to find entries that begin with Nvidia, typically Nvidia Display Container, LS, and Nvidia Telemetry Container. Make sure you identify each related service by name, because similar-sounding entries may belong to other components. You'll act on these same items in the next step, so leave the service. Now you stop and disable each Nvidia service. Right-click an Nvidia entry and choose Stop if it's running. Wait for the status to change. Then open Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled and click Apply, then OK. This prevents the service from restarting on reboot. Make sure to check dependencies in Properties. If other services depend on Nvidia, note them and disable as needed. Once done, repeat the same stop and disable actions for every Nvidia-labeled service you found earlier. To finalize, prevent Nvidia apps from launching. Open Task Manager, go to Startup, locate Nvidia entries such as GeForce Experience and click Disable. If you want permanent removal, open Settings right arrow apps and uninstall the specific Nvidia applications. Drivers can remain if you need GPU functionality. Once finished, reboot and verify the apps don't auto-start. If you hit problems, reboot, re-enable a service to restore behavior, or reinstall the Nvidia software, and repeat the controlled disable steps to avoid system instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.